Attorney General Basil Williams is befuddled by a recent disclosure by the Auditor General that former President Donald RAMOTAR has admitted to a serious impropriety. The matter surrounds the authorized purchase with state funds of law books for the Attorney General's office while former Attorney General Anil Nandlal was in office. When Nightly News interviewed Mr. Nandlal soon after the killing of political activist Courtney Crummy last year, those books were in his chambers, as seen here, but they are elsewhere now. According to the AG, the disappearance of the law books came to light shortly after Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Legal Affairs, Indira Ananjit, was asked to proceed on leave a few months ago to facilitate an audit at the ministry. The Attorney General disclosed that the matter was forwarded to the Auditor General, and after a substantial period of time had elapsed, the Auditor General reported that former President Donald RAMOTAR had come out in apparent defense of Ms. Ananjit, saying that he, Mr. RAMOTAR, had authorized that the books be bought with state funds but still become the property of the former Attorney General. Attorney General Basil Williams is still trying to find out why Mr. RAMOTAR had taken such risks with the country's financial regulations.
He is sending to save the PSN, as I understand it, by saying she is not culpable or blameworthy because he had an agreement with Nandlal, who was AG, that Nandlal could use the ministry's money to buy these books and keep them for Nandlal self. Okay. But I don't know why a former president would write admitting that he was in breach of all the financial regulations.
Former President Donald RAMOTAR enjoys some amount of presidential immunity from prosecution, but the Attorney General appears not to be receptive of what was conveyed to him by the Auditor General regarding the matter.
We don't accept what was the excuse given by the Auditor General that the former President RAMOTAR could have a private agreement with the former Attorney General to spend the state's money for their own personal benefit. You know, and I don't know if, a former president might believe that he has immunity from suit for actions taken, but it's one of the strangest things you would find in any part of the world.
The Attorney General has hinted that many such instances of serious impropriety have been unearthed during recent forensic audits. The missing law books are set to be valued at $3 million. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.